pretty crazy. How's it going, everyone? I'm Carl and welcome in. So I've gone for a little wander in the storm and I'm down sort of handstanding at the moment and the waves are rolling in, so I'm going to grab my boots, I'm going to put my gear on and we're going to have a little wander down the far end, which we'll go in a minute once we've done this bit. The waves are literally coming over the top of the wall near the pier and just splashing on the prom. That's pretty cool to see. So let's have a look at this end and then we'll go and have a look down the other end. Now I've just been outside the car just to put my boots and waterproofs on, as you can see, and I was like this. It was blowing me all over the place. I've got 50+-mile-an-hour winds, so I'll do my best. I don't know what you're going to be able to hear, but I'll put my mics and stuff on and fingers crossed you'll be able to see and hear a few things. So it's absolutely hammering with rain. It's pretty crazy out there. I can hardly stand here, to be honest. It's pretty rough. I can't even see what I'm doing. Them seas are definitely rolling in hard. Camera's probably not doing it justice, but the waves are massive. No wonder these cliffs get bad in the winter storms. Pretty crazy. You get a few like fairly big waves and then all of a sudden you get massive ones just rolling. Alright, let's take a wander down the other end, shall we, and see them coming up and over the wall and stuff. Crazy trying to hold myself here just to film. If you look right at the sea, it's just crazy all the way out. Still got a little while to high tide as yet as well. It's definitely rolling about down this end. Probably going to get soaked standing here, but all part of the fun. Pretty crazy. Taking a chance here, gonna splash them right over the top of here, which means I'm gonna get soaked. Woohoo! Hooray! Some big old waves coming in. Whee! Straight over the top of me. Pretty crazy. Woo-hoo-hoo. Getting rougher and rougher. Coming up behind me now as well. Waves are splashing up and over my head. Whoa, well, I think you'll agree, that was pretty crazy. My hands are like icicles, I can hardly feel them. It's as much as I can film. Oh, I'm shivering, I'm shaking. That's cold, and that wind was like almost fighting the camera, so apologies if the camera work is not great, but what can you do when the gusts are crazy mile an hour and just the normal winds are like 50. So yeah, that was pretty crazy. Waves were just hitting the wall, go flying up the side, running along a wall, banging into each other. The high tide's about an hour's time now, I think, so is it going to get worse, or is it going to get worse as the tide go down and you get longer running waves that hit it hard and higher? Who knows, but it's pretty rough. So, hope you liked that video, and I'll see you all soon in another video. Bye for now.